we have a special guest with us. Who's here? Nina! She's here. Nina's here because she's in the couch and see us. Pizza, pizza, there's got pizza, pizza! Pizza, pizza, pizza! Come here! Come here! Hi!
Hey, I heard you selling some pizzas?
Yes. What pizza did you like?
What kind of pizzas do you have?
I have one right here and two right here. Just only $2.
$2?
Yes.
Okay, can I get cheese and pepperoni?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Here you go, $13 for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Alright, here's your pizza and your drink.
Well, we gotta make a pizza first, babe.
Here you go.
Okay, we'll call you when it's ready.
Okay,
Tell him, we'll call you when it's ready.
because it's ready.
Got it.
Alright, let's go make this pizza.
Come on. So here's Andy's crust.
Okay.
Okay. So what do we put first on a pizza?
And maybe we can put pepperoni, salad, this one.
First, then the instructions say we gotta put a little bit of oil on it first.
Yeah.
So let's put that first. Okay. A
Okay.
little bit of oil.
A little bit.
Just spread it around a little bit. Need to drizzle it with oil. There we go. Okay. So what comes first?
What is?
What's this called?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's the sauce.
That's
Called
not.
marinara sauce.
Yeah, okay.
So go ahead, scoop it onto there. I think two scoops would be good. One, and then one more. Two. All right. Now mix it around on there. Spread it. Good girl. You let me know when you need some help, all right? You got this. You're the chef.
I think it's good.
That's good? You think
Yeah.
so? Okay. So what did Andy want on his pizza?
I think he wants maybe pepperoni.
That's what he asked for? But first, didn't he ask for cheese?
Maybe cheese.
Yeah, let's put the cheese first.
Yeah.
Cheese has to go first, so the pepperoni sticks.
So can I try?
Yeah, you're gonna grab it.
Yeah.
You put the cheese and you spread it all around. Go ahead, grab some. Put it on the pizza. All right, spread it all around good. Come on. We have a lot of cheese. Put a lot of cheese on it.
Okay.
There we go. Spread it around nice and good. Oh, that's good. Good job.
And my pizza too.
Put more, put more. Let's put a lot of cheese for him. I mean, it was $10 for this little pizza. Let's make sure it's good. Go ahead. Good job, babe. All right, now you ready to put the pepperonis?
Yes, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. How many pepperonis are you gonna put?
Two.
Two?
More.
More, I think. Count how many you put.
I put one,
Mm-hmm.
and I put two. I think I put three, and then I put some more, and then cinco, and then two,
6,
and six, and more.
7. Good job. So there's 7 pepperonis. Let's spread them out a little bit. There we go. That's 7 pepperonis.
Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit mushrooms.
Well, but I think that was what he ordered. That was all he wanted, right? Pepperoni and cheese?
Yes.
Now you want to make a pizza for you? For Lluvia?
Yes.
Okay. What does Lluvia want on her pizza?
Cheese.
Yeah, let's put a little bit of oil, like
Yeah.
we're supposed to.
Make sure not too much.
Not too much. Not too much. Okay, spread it up a little bit. Okay, now what goes first again? The sauce.
Sauce.
You scoop it on there. One scoop. And then one more. 2 scoops on your pizza. Good job.
And my pizza?
Mm-hmm. All right, now spread it up.
More?
Get as much as you want. It's your pizza. Wow. Go ahead. Go for it, baby cow. Oh, wow. That's a big mountain of cheese, huh? That looks yummy.
You can put some more?
You want to put some more? Yeah, that's cool with me. There you go. Lluvia loves cheese. She's like a little mouse. Alright. So what toppings are you going to put on your pizza? You want some pepperoni?
Yes.
Alright, put your pepperonis.
I'm going to put 5.
5? Okay, there's 1.
This one. 2.
3.
7.
4.
4. 5.
Oh, you're missing one for 5. You have 4 right now. Wow. So how many pepperonis do you have on your pizza?
5.
I don't know, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6.
You have 6. Good girl. That's good. Is that all, or do you want more pepperoni?
More.
More pepperoni. Wow. So how many is that?
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay, that's 7.
7.
Yeah.
I think we need pineapple.
Oh, you want some pineapple? Okay, go ahead. Go for it. You can put some pineapple on your pizza.
1,
Okay.
2, 3. Hit this one.
Go ahead. Go for it. Is it good? Yeah. It's important to taste your ingredients.
7,
4,
4, 6,
5,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
4,
8,
8, 4,
9.
9. I think that's more.
Yeah. 10.
10.
There we go. Is there anything else you want to put on your pizza?
Yes.
What else? You want onions on your pizza?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. What color are those onions?
White.
Yeah, white. And what other color? Look at, there's another color on it.
Purple.
Purple. Wow. And do you know how to say purple in Spanish?
I mean,
Do you know how to say purple in Spanish?
morado.
Good job, morado.
7, 7,
That's 3.
3, 4, 7,
5.
5, 7,
6.
6,
7. Yay!
more.
Oh, more? Okay.
7,
8.
8,
9.
and 9. I think that's
And you think that's good? I think that's enough.
I think that's enough. I'm gonna put a little bit of
Which ones?
this.
Bell peppers? Those are called bell peppers, babe. What color are those?
Green.
Green. And do you know how to say green in Spanish?
I mean, naranja.
No, that one's orange, but green is verde.
Verde.
Yeah, good job.
This one.
What? Put as many as you want, baby. This is your pizza. Sounds like a good pizza.
You can touch it.
Yes, you can touch it.
Can I smell?
Yes, man.
It smells so weird.
It smells weird. I don't know. I don't know if I want you making my pizza then.
Yeah. You want more pizza?
Let's see. Let's finish your pizza.
Yeah.
And then we can throw it in the oven and let them bake.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Friends, look at our pizzas!
Oh my goodness, they look so yummy! Oh. Okay, but remember, we had a paying customer, so let's get his pizza ready and deliver it to him, yeah? All right, so hold on.
So we're gonna go this into the kitchen.
Yeah, we're gonna take it there and have him come pick it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pick it up first. First me. I'm gonna do it.
There you go, babe. You ready to give him his pizza? Hold it here. Hold it good from the bottom. There you go. Careful. There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just like, always see you next time.